fried steak?
Baked potato, butter, sour cream. And you, sir?
I want the same as him.
There's your vegetable.
That's a vegetable. These suckers are, man, these are the best fried vegetables.
I want one of those.
These are better than
Man,
Mrs.
the best fried
These are the best fried pickles. I've never even tried one yet.
They're better than Mrs.
Wow, this salad looks delicious.
I've heard great things from all of the customers around here in the city. I've heard nothing but great things about this.
We appreciate that. Like I say, we just try to give good food and good service. We'll keep
So we keep hearing you've got the greatest steaks in Oklahoma. What's the secret to that, Howard?
Probably the basic secret is we buy good meat to start with. And if we cut it back there, our steak's still going to be juicy and tender.
And we're going to be able to cut it with a fork, right?
You'll be able to cut it with a fork. It's a house rule here. You can't cut it with a fork or a butter knife. Just please.
Wow. I want to check it out. I want to just see if you can cook this steak, which I ordered well done, with the fork. That's amazing.
Oh my Lord.
Check that out.
Well,
All right,
Try it
good.
out, try it out.
Oh my gosh.
So is it true? Is it
It's
the best
true.
steak in Oklahoma?
It's the best steak in Oklahoma.
You gonna eat all that?
Hold on. Let me see something.
Oh, it's
Oh.
gone.
now, we're the world's biggest country fried steak.
What's this called?
Oreo delight.
Oreo delight. We really appreciate you having us here.
Sure, thank you very much. Appreciate you. That's how we go.
These ones.
See you later.
Yeah, baby.
Anybody got something to write with?
We're waitresses. What do you
Yeah.
think?